New Zealand, a land of wows around every corner. Snow-capped mountains, majestic fjords, pristine beaches, Jurassic Park-like forests, and the bluest blue water are just some of the sights we were spoiled with on our big-ass roadie starting from Auckland City. We embarked on a 3,600 kilometer journey with stops in Wellington, Christchurch, Queenstown, and Glacier country. If you're new around here, I'm Chantal and this is my husband Craig. My parents Pim and Dot came to visit from South Africa and we just had to take them on this bucket list trip around our beautiful new home country. So the four of us set off on the adventure of a lifetime. Our main mode of transport was our trusty car, but we also enjoyed the ferry across the Cook Strait, quite a few gondolas, a tram, a bus, a boat, and even a luge. A roadie around New Zealand wouldn't be complete without a visit to the 8th wonder of the world, which made my birthday one to remember forever. Our accommodation ranged between hotels, cabins, Airbnbs, huts, and even staying with family. The journey was as impressive as each destination. Although we spent hours on hours in the car, we didn't expect to stop along the way so often. One thing is for sure, this was the adventure of a lifetime, and memories were made every step of the way. So if you're up for it, please join us for our new series, our big-ass New Zealand roadie.